Hello, my name is Naila Munadi with student number 126, and today I would like to present a summary of a research paper with title The Influence of Environmental Uncertainty on the Accounting Information System Quality and its impact on the accounting information quality. Let's start with the why, the motivation and objective behind this study. So, every organization lives inside an external environment. This environment changes constantly, technologies advance, government regulation change, and public demand shift. This rapid change created what we call environmental uncertainty. When decision when the decision makers cannot accurately predict this external change, it creates a massive challenge. The authors notice a critical problem in the higher education sector in Indonesia. Several top universities were facing issues with their accounting information system or AES. For instance, some systems were not integrated, meaning different faculties use completely separated databases. Other were deemed inflexible, which slowed down institutional progress, and some were unreliable, causing delays in financial reporting. Therefore, the main objective of this study is to examine two things. So, the first one is how much does environmental uncertainty affect the quality of the accounting information system, and the second one is how does the quality of the system affect the ultimate quality of the accounting information produced. So to explain this relationship, the study relies on a solid framework built upon established business theories. First, in contingency theory or organization theory, this theory states an information system cannot stand alone. It must be designed explicitly to meet the challenges and complexities of its external environment. If the environment is highly unpredictable, the system must adapt. Second is agency theory. This explains the relationship and potential conflict between different stakeholders within the university structure. A high-quality system acts as a watchdog to reduce this internal conflict. The third one is the information asymmetry, or when an environment is complex, companies tend to struggle with sharing data. A high quality edge bridge this gap, ensuring that clear, transparent data is available to reduce risk. From this framework, the authors focus on three core variables. First is environmental uncertainty, measured by two dimensions, or environmental change and environmental complexity. The second one is AIS quality, evaluated by three characteristics: integration, flexibility, and reliability. And the third one is accounting information quality, evaluated by being accurate, relevant, timely, and complete. Moving on the methodology, this study used both descriptive and verificative research methods. The population ensemble, the target population consists of 238 accredited higher education financial units across Java, Indonesia, using a stratified random sampling technique. The researchers gathered data from 104 financial units, and the respondent, a total of 325 respondents participate. The respondent, a total of 325 respondents participate. These were professionals directly responsible for financial statements, including accounting staff, head of finance subdivision, and financial managers. The data was collected using a 5-point Likert scale questionnaire, and researchers utilized SPSS for descriptive statistics, for hypothesis testing, and evaluating the relationship between variables. They used structural equation modeling, or SEM, based on partial least square, or PLS. Now let's discuss the most exciting part, the empirical findings. The PLS SEM analysis revealed two major fakes. The first one is environmental uncertainty significantly and negatively influenced ACE quality. The path coefficient was minus 0.64 with a highly significant statistic of 10,801. This negative number means they have an inverse relationship. When environmental uncertainty increases, such as sudden change in government regulation or rapid technological shift, the quality of the AIS drops significantly if the system cannot adapt. The R-square values show that environmental uncertainty explains 41% of the variance in AIS quality. And fake number 2 is AIS quality significantly and positively. The fake number 2 is AIS quality significantly and positively influence accounting information quality. The path coefficient here was 0.606 with the statistic of 8,678. Okay, this proves a direct positive relationship. When a university invests in a high-quality, highly integrated, and reliable AIS, the quality of the financial reports instantly improves. AIS quality accounts for 37% of the variance in information quality. From the data show that out of the elements, system integration played the most dominant role in determining system quality. However, the descriptive statistics reveal that many universities scored not good or just enough on system flexibility and inter-system integration. Managers are struggling to capture and predict external regulatory and technological change, which directly harms their system performance. And the last one, to conclude everything, this study successfully answered the real-world problem observed in our universities. We can summarize the takeaway into two main points. The first point is environmental uncertainty acts as a barrier that reduces the quality of information system if the systems are rigid. And the Second one is, and the second fact is, a flawed information system will inevitably lead to suboptimal, delay, or inaccurate accounting information. And the recommendation is to solve this issue. Higher education institution must not view an AI as a static tool. University leaders and IT designers must explicitly build systems that are flexible and highly integrated. The system must be capable to adapting smoothly to change government, regulation, diverse students or supplier data, and new technological infrastructure. By upgrading the system's ability to handle environmental complexity, in university will ensure the protection of top-tier, reliable financial information. Okay, that's it, my presentation, and thank you so much.